Alright guys, today we're going to unbox this Mossy Oak multi-tool. It's the G10 17-in-1. This one has like the machined plier head. And one of the first things I noticed, like I already have this 12-in-1 multi-tool from them. It has a glass breaker on the end. I noticed this one doesn't. But I have a few like Leatherman bits with the carbide glass breaker that'll work. I also noticed that it has a different blade shape on this tool. I kind of prefer the big one, honestly. Like feels really good in the hand. It's on sale right now for like $31. I think originally they were like $35, but hell yeah, guys, check them out. Another thing too, guys, is that these Mossy Oak multi-tool pliers are spring-loaded, and like a lot of the clones are like the SQTs, the Shalls, even the Leathermans don't have the spring in there. It's kind of nice, actually. I mean, we'll see how much they hold up. They seem like pretty similar size-wise, but pretty similar thickness too. But thank you guys. Like and subscribe.